Welcome to the Norwood Public Schools Google Apps for Education video series. In this video tutorial, you will receive an introduction to Google Docs. In this tutorial, you will receive an overview of Google Docs, you will learn how to create a document, and you will learn to upload an existing document. Google Docs is an online word processor that allows students and teachers to create documents much in the same way they would use other word processing programs such as Microsoft Word or Apple's Pages. While Google Docs does not have 100% of the features that those programs may offer, it provides most of the capabilities that are needed to successfully produce a document. The real power of Google Docs, however, is that they can be shared with other students for collaboration and with teachers for real-time feedback. The documents they create and upload will also be available anytime and anywhere the user has internet access on just about any type of device. In order to create a new document, you need to go to the red Create button in the top left corner of your account and choose Document. This will open a new untitled document in your window. In order to add a title to your document, click on the untitled document, add your title, and click OK. You can change the title of your document anytime you want by clicking on the title. Once in the document, you can type your content as you would in any other word processing programs. As you type your document, the content you create is automatically saved. This feature is extremely helpful if you abruptly lose power or your internet connection. You can also see that you have an editing toolbar at the top of the document that allows you to perform a variety of functions, such as changing the format of your text, to adding links or lists. If you hover over each tool, it will identify that tool for you. Above the editing toolbar is the menu structure in Google Docs. Through this menu, you will find a number of similar tools that you would find in other word processing programs. While you are becoming more familiar with the Google Docs file menu structure, you can always use the Help button to search for tools you might be looking for but are not sure where they are located. Through Google Docs, you also have the ability to upload existing files, including existing Microsoft Office files, into your Google Drive account. When uploading a file, you get two choices: to convert that file into Google Docs format or to keep it the same file format it is currently. When you convert a Word document into Google Docs format, you can then edit the document and share it with others. When you keep it in the existing file format, you can share it with others, but you cannot edit it. You can only view the document. First, you want to check your upload settings in Google Drive. If you leave all the checkboxes blank, the files that are uploaded to Google Drive will automatically be converted to Google Docs format, if they can be converted. Files such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents can be converted to their Google Drive counterparts. Other files, such as video and image files, cannot. Since I may want to sometimes keep the original file formats of documents that I upload, I'm going to check the confirm settings before each upload option. This way, when I upload a document to my Google Drive, I have a choice of converting it or keeping it in the original format. Let's take a Microsoft Word document as an example. If I want to upload this document into my Google Drive account, what I do is click the Upload button next to the Create button in my Google Drive. When I click on the button, it gives me the choice to upload a single file or an entire folder of files. In this case, I am only going to upload one file. When I select the file I want to upload, I get a pop-up that gives me the choice of what I want to do with the file. If I check Convert Documents, Presentations, Spreadsheets, and Drawings to the corresponding Google Docs format, it will automatically convert my Word document into Google Docs format so that I can edit it online. I make sure that the conversion box is checked and I choose Start Upload. Once the document has been uploaded and the conversion is finished, it will appear in my drive. Now I can open the document and edit it like any other Google Doc. This will also allow me to add collaborators to the document if I choose. Collaborators will also be able to edit the document or insert comments. If I uncheck that box, it is uploaded in its native file format, a docx document. As you can see, I can't edit it. I can share it, I can download it, and I can print it. I could download it and edit it using Microsoft Word. I just can't edit it in Google Docs. It is important to note that some documents that are formatted in a certain way in Microsoft Word do not always keep the exact same formatting when they are converted to Google Docs. Usually the conversion works just fine, but there are times, if there is advanced formatting on the document, you may not want to convert it to Google Docs.